Serious, that a rudder? I'm a slob, I'm sorry, dear.
Okay, it's a powdered
Forgive
donut.
me.
It's just a powdered donut.
Here's the cable going across right there. The catwalk right there. Looks like there's a trail. Look at going up. Looks like it goes up all the way up to the top there. That's probably how they got down there. They went down, went that way, then went this way. Where they go from there, I don't know. They had to get over on this side somehow. Vulture poop. Right there.